Apa tadi? Stop.
Would you like to go to the restaurant?
Okay.
Then the answer is yes, I would. Or you can
Would you like to? Yes, I would. Yes, I would.
okay. And then when you didn't
Ya
when
Allah,
you
kaget.
don't want, so you can say no, I don't want. Okay?
No, I would. No, I
Yeah,
would.
no, I wouldn't. Sorry. Okay, so for today's lesson is about the city.
What is city?
Nah, yep. What is your city like? Okay, can you read this sentence? Who? Someone.
What is your city like?
Nice, Tristan. Yeah, what is your city like? What is the meaning? What is the meaning of what is your city like?
In Indonesia,
Yep.
kotamu seperti apa?
Okay, kotamu seperti apa? Okay, yep. Yes, it means someone is asking you about your city. Maybe about the city or the condition of the city. Is it quiet or it's a busy city? But we will learn here. Okay. Oh, by the way, Tristan, where do you live?
Samarinda.
Oh ya, Samarinda ya. Oops, let's begin. Okay. So when you want to ask your friends, maybe now we are in the different places, right? So when you want to ask your friends, how about your city? So we can use this sentence. What is your city like? And then wait, didn't work here.
My city like.
Wait a minute. Can you see the screen? Okay. Oops.
Yes.
Yes, I can. I see.
Oops. Oh. So when I ask you, Faza, what is your city like? What is your city like? How do you answer?
Jawabannya,
Sorry?
I like.
Yeah.
I like.
What is your city like? And then how do you answer? When someone asks you, what is your city like?
Oh, let me open the. Oh,
Okay, before we begin,
I
I ask you first, how do you answer when someone asks you, how is your city like? Or what is your city like?
I like.
I like?
I like
Really? You want?
the city of.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So here, the meaning of like doesn't mean, what is that? Doesn't mean suka. I mean you interest of it, but it means how the condition of your city. You want to tell about your city, so not about your feeling. So when someone asks you, what is your city like? And then I answer, oh, my city is really quiet. not.
Oh,
Yeah, so I can answer, oh, my city is really nice because it full, there are so many islands, and then it's a quiet place. What is quiet?
okay. I know.
Okay.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Before
I
we
know.
go to it, so let me ask you, Aryan, do you live in a city or in a town or in a village? Halo, Aryan? Aryan, where do you live? Do you live in a city? Okay. Or Faiz, do you live in a city?
Yes, I live in a city.
Yes, I live in a city.
City.
Okay, yeah,
Yes,
that's
I live
correct
in
answer, yeah. I live in a city because Faiz is living in Jakarta. And who is living in a town? What is town?
What's
What is a town? Someone can answer my question? What is a town actually? What is a town? Town. There is a city and then a town and then there is the village. What is actually town, the meaning of a town? Yeah,
Perumahan,
perumahan.
maybe.
Maybe. Okay, someone else? Is there? Anyone?
Kota.
What is the meaning of town?
Kota.
Sorry?
Kota.
Kota? Okay, yes. Okay, it's also kota, but it's no not really city, big city, and then not really also a village. So it's bigger than a village. Okay? Yeah. So city, it's like between city and village. Did you get the point? Okay, so anyone, does you live in a town? Does anyone here live in a town? Or Aryan maybe? Do you live in a town? This one is town. So there are so many houses here. It's not really busy place, but it's not really a quiet place also. Who lives in this place? Is there anyone lives this place? Is there anyone lives in a town? Aryan, do you live in a town, Aryan? No.
Miss, is perumahan, perumahan is a town too or not?
Sorry?
Perumahan, it's a town or a city? It's
Oh,
apa ya?
yeah. Is it
Include
perumahan? Okay, for this one, we can say it's a town. Okay, let me say here. Okay, we can say a town. Okay, but before we answer what is your city like, let me tell you this sentence. Where do you live? We usually ask this use this question before we ask how or what is your city like. So where do you live? And then someone asks, oh, I live in a city. And then we can ask again, how or what is your city like? Like me, I said, oh, my city is, there are so many islands in my city. And there are so many houses in my city. Okay. Anyone? Yossi, where do you live, Yossi?
I live in town.
Ah, you live in a town. Where was that? What is your town like? Nah, when you have what was your town like? And how do you answer? You can say like this. It is. Okay. Hello, Yossi?
Yes. Yes.
How do you answer? Okay. Okay, forget it. So and then also we can say village. She lives in a village. Okay. This city first. We can see this picture. In this picture, guys, there are so many houses, right? So we can answer, oh, I live in a city and there are so many houses there. It is a busy place or a busy city. What is the meaning busy? It is a busy place or a city. What is the meaning of this one? Kotaku. Or I say here, Jakarta. Jakarta is a busy place or a busy city. What is the meaning? Jakarta is a busy city. What is the meaning?
Jakarta is busy.
What is the meaning?
Rame.
Yes, that's
Crowd.
so it's not usually busy, it means sibuk, but we can say ramai. So Jakarta.
Nggak boleh. Hey, you can say that.
Sorry?
Wait.
Okay. Okay. How do you pronounce this this one? Yossi. How do you read this? How do you read? Yes, please. Jakarta or Faza. Can you read this, Faza?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jakarta is a busy place
Okay.
or city.
Okay. Yeah. Faza say Jakarta is a busy place. Is that correct or someone else?
Me, Tristan.
Oh,
Yeah, please.
Jakarta is a busy place or city.
Yes, nice. Nah, so like this, you can read this. Jakarta is a busy place or city. Jakarta is a busy, so busy, not busy, okay? So Jakarta is a busy city or a place. How do you read Faza?
Busy.
Nah, okay. All of this.
Jakarta is busy place or city.
Yes, Faiz. Okay, can you make it louder? Louder.
Jakarta is a busy place or city.
Nice. Yeah. How about you, Faza?
Jakarta is busy place.
Oh, nice. What about Yossi?
Jakarta is a busy place and city.
Okay, nice. Lah, okay. What about this one? When teacher asks Hyun Woo, where do you live? So what does Hyun Woo answer?
I live in a city.
What is your
I live in city.
I live
in a city.
I live in a city because the picture is
City.
there are so many buildings, right? So it's called city. What about this one, Aryan? What is the answer? Aryan? Hello? Hello, Aryan?
Lives in a town.
He lives in, sorry, pardon me? Okay.
He lives in a town.
Okay, nice. He lives in a town. Okay, together we read. Where does he live?
Where does he live?
Okay. He lives in a
Where does he
sorry. He lives in a town.
He lives in a town.
Okay. Okay. Here, where do you live?
lives
I
in
sit
a town?
to, and then it's does. Why is it different? Can someone explain me?
You
No.
and he.
Oh yeah, because of the subject, right? So subject he should be does and you should be do. Okay, so remember about this one. Okay, do you have any question?
No.
No. Okay. And
Atau yang lainnya aku langsung no.
Yap, Faza is speaking Indonesia again, speaking in Bahasa. Okay, you have 2 points today. Congratulations. Okay, Faza, what about this one? How do you answer?
They live in a town.
Sorry?
They live in a town.
Is it town, guys?
Village.
Yes, it's a village, right? Okay. What is this actually? This one? The water? What is it called?
Lake.
Lake? Yup, it's a lake, right?
Sea.
What about this one?
It's a mountain.
Mountain? Is it mountain, guys?
Okay.
Mountain?
No.
Sorry? No, so what is that?
Mountain.
Okay. Mountain or mountains? Let me see. Let me write here. Mountain.
No.
And then mountain. What is that? Mountain is okay, gunung. Mountain or mountain range. What is that? Okay, we call it mountain. Okay. Okay, what about this one? What is this, Yossi or Faiz? What is this, Faiz?
Big Ben.
Big Ben? Where
No,
is
maybe.
this place actually? Do you ever see this place in the internet or somewhere?
Never.
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 Never. Okay, it's really nice, right? Okay, so I think it's a part of this house, but it's like a tower or what is this? Yep. Faiz says it's Big Ben. Nice. Okay, but here is they live in a town.
Village or town?
Sorry, village. Yeah. What about this one? What about this?
City.
Sorry?
City.
Oh, I say it's a city. Okay. Anyway, Tristan, can you read this one?
Where does she live? Where does she live?
Okay, where does she live? And how do you answer, Faiz?
She lives in the city.
Okay, she lives in a city. Okay, thank you. So there is city, village, and town. Nah, talking about our place to live, there must be something like a public transportation or a place like market or supermarket, or maybe some places also have like, what is that? We call it mall. What is that? Do you know about what is that?
What?
The place for sorry.
Supermarket.
Yep.
Supermarket.
Yes, it's supermarket. What about in your city? Does it have supermarket?
Yes.
Yes. Are there so many supermarket or only a little supermarket?
Many
Many.
supermarket.
Yeah, I think you all live in a big place. It's like a city or a town, not in the village. Or anyone? Does anyone live in a village now?
No, I'm not.
Okay. So, beside supermarket, what else? What is the public trans?
Bus station.
Oh yeah, bus station, and what else? There is a bus
Train.
station,
Airport.
airport. Okay. Bus station.
Train station.
What else?
Train station.
What is that? What is that?
Train station.
Oh yeah, yeah, train station. And then what else? How do you call when someone is sick, where they should be stay?
Hospital.
Yes, in a hospital. Okay. And what about the place to study?
School.
School.
A school, right? So we can when someone also asks you about what is your city like, and then you can answer, oh, there are so many supermarkets, and then there are 2 hospitals, and there is an airport. Nah, it's the way you tell them about your city like. Okay, yeah. So the first you can say I live in a city, and then you can tell what is in your city. What is in your city? Maybe there is an airport or train station, hospital, school, and so on. You can tell everything about your city. Or, nah, remember, many people interested in, what is that? The destination. Nah, it's like in my place, in Southeast Sulawesi, so it's famous with Wakatobi, right? So maybe when someone...
What is Wakatobi?
Wakatobi is
Wakatobi.
an island, a fourth big island in Southeast Sulawesi. So it's really nice there. Nah, so it's the destination. Nah, just like Faiz yesterday when I asked where do you live and what is the famous, and then Faiz told us about Monumen Nasional. Okay, ya, remember about that point. Okay. What about this one? A movie theater. Do you have a movie theater in your city?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
And then, what about this one? What is this?
Park.
Yes, park. Okay, together. There is a park.
There is a park.
There is a park.
Okay, and then for to combine this sentence, you can also say about the place where the place is. Is it far from your home or it's nearby your home? Okay. What about this one? What is this?
Train station.
Yes, it's a train station. Okay, together. There is a train station.
There is a train
There is a
station.
What about this one?
Restaurant.
Okay, restaurant. What do you? How do you read this, Yosi?
What?
How do you read this?
No.
How do you read this? This one.
Oh. Restaurant.
There is.
There is a restaurant.
Okay, there is a restaurant.
Restaurant. There is a restaurant.
What about this one? Oh, yep. It's a train station,
Train
right?
station.
How do you answer this one? This one, there is a train station. And how does someone ask if you answer there is a train station? How do you ask?
What is there?
What is that? Okay, what is that? Okay, let me see.
What is that?
What
There.
is that? It means you ask about the picture, right? What is that? But when you want to ask about the place in your city, so you can say, is there a train station in your city or in your town? Nah, so we can answer yes, there is a train station, or no, there is no train station. Okay? Okay, Faza, is there a train station in your town?
Yes, there is. Yeah, betul.
Yes.
Yes, there is train station.
Nice. Yeah. Yes, there is a train station. And what about? Okay, wait. Now, how about this one? Aryan, how do you ask about this one? Okay, wait, hold it.
There.
Hold on. How do you answer this one? There is a movie theater, right?
Movie theater.
Yeah, theater. Oops. There is a movie theater. But how do you ask about it? Is there
a movie theater in your town?
Okay, is there a movie theater in your town? Nice. And then we can answer, yes, there is a movie theater. Or how do you answer if there is no?
No, there is no movie theater.
Yes, it's correct. No, there is no movie theater. Okay, it's the same, right? So it's a restaurant and then also train station before this one. So remember when you want to explain about your city, so you can say, oh, I live in a city, and then you can tell about what is in your city. Maybe there is a train station, supermarket, and so on. Okay, remember about that. Okay, now this is how the place is feeling. Maybe it's interesting. What is interesting?
Menyenangkan.
Yes. Menarik ya.
Sorry.
Wait. Okay, together. It is interesting.
It is interesting.
It is interesting.
And then it is boring.
It is
boring.
Okay, and then it is small.
It is small.
It is big city.
It is big city.
Big city.
Okay, it is a big city. And then it is a quiet town.
It is a quiet town.
quiet
Aduh,
town.
bokongku sakit. Astagfirullah.
There is a quiet, and there is a quiet. What is the difference of this? Quiet and quiet. Quiet and quiet. What is this?
Quiet and quiet.
Yes, so it's a pronounced quiet and quiet. Okay, together. Quiet.
Quiet.
And then quiet. Quiet.
Quiet.
Nah, it's as you can say cukup or no. Sangat ya, sangat jauh. But this one is ramai. It's a what is that? You can say sangat ya. Oh, it's a quiet far from my house. It's a quiet far. Nah, so it's a quiet far. But when you say, oh, it's a quiet town, so it means ramai. Okay? Do you get the difference? Yeah. So it's quiet. And quiet. So it's
I translate it quiet, it's not ramai.
Sorry?
I translate it at Google. Quiet is not ramai.
But what is that?
Quiet itu kayaknya rame deh.
Remember, there is E here, and then it's a different about this one only.
ENT.
Yes. It's only about this one. Okay? Okay, so it's different. It's quiet and quiet. For quiet, it means ramai, but it's quiet for this one. Okay. How about you, Aryan? How? Do you something in the internet? It's about it's quiet.
I translate it at quiet. E-P-N-E. The translator is sunyi or diam.
Diam.
Oh sorry. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
Aku lihat di Google diam.
Sorry. Yeah. I just can focus about this. Yeah, actually it's sunyi ya, sunyi. Oh my god. I just what is that? Yeah, it's a sunyi. I testing you guys. I testing you. Sorry.
Are you sure?
I'll erase it. Yep, actually. Quiet. This one, yeah? Here. Sunyi or speak. Okay, how do you pronounce it, Aryan? This one?
Quiet.
Nice. Yes, it's quiet. Okay. Let's move. Stop it, Aryan.
Oh my.
Okay. Nice. Now, this one. It is a busy town.
Busy town.
Yes.
It is a busy town.
Yeah, busy must be ramai. Okay. This one.
My cousin is now so annoyed.
Yeah. Okay. So let's do this dialogue. Okay. I will be the teacher, and then you can answer me together, all of you, by saying what you know. Okay. Where do you live? Together.
I live in Seoul. Seoul.
Live in Seoul.
Life in Seoul.
It is a big city.
It is a big city.
Okay. What is it like?
It
It is fuzzy and interesting. How about you? Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Okay. I live in a village.
What
is it like?
is it like?
Okay. It is small.
Is
Is
there
there a supermarket in your village?
Yes, there is.
Is there a
train station?
No, there isn't a train station.
Is there a restaurant?
There a restaurant?
No, there isn't.
Is there a movie
there a
theater?
movie
Is there a
theater?
movie theater?
Okay, no, there isn't. It is a small and quiet. Okay, thank you.
Nggak
Okay,
tanya.
someone, do you
I
want?
can ask about it.
Sorry, Faza?
Yeah, nothing.
Okay, Someone, do you want to try? But you can what is that? You can ask about this. Looking for about this example. You can this example, but using your place. I mean your city.
Okay.
Okay, Faza ya. Faza, wanna try?
Apa? What?
Okay, and then who else? Tristan, maybe you wanna try? Yeah, let's make
Be
a
the
dialogue.
teacher.
Yep, being a teacher, and then Hyunwoo being a Faza, but answer by your place. I mean your city.
Yes, okay, Miss.
Okay, please. Tristan first.
Where do you live?
Faza. Yes, Faza.
Wait.
What is that, Faza? Come on.
Apa?
Yeah, answer. Where do you live? And Tristan asks you.
I live in Malang. It is a big city.
Yeah.
What is it like? What is it like?
It is busy. It is busy and interesting. How about you?
I live in a town.
What is it like? What is it like?
It is a small town.
Terus, is there a supermarket? Is there a supermarket in your village?
Yeah. There is a supermarket?
Yes, there is.
Okay, done.
Yes, there is.
Okay, let's try about Aryan and Yossi. Or Faiz. You can continue about this from this one. Faza have asked about, is there a supermarket in your town? And then you can continue about that. Okay, please. Aryan and Faiz. Faiz is...
Yes, there
is there?
Is there a train station?
No, there isn't a train station.
Oh, no, in Jakarta. You are talking about Jakarta.
Yes, there.
Is there a restaurant in your city?
Yes, there is.
Is there a movie theater?
Yes, there is. It is big and interesting.
Oh, nice. Thank you, Faiz and Aryan. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's move here. When you answer this one, where do you live? What is the correct answer?
Wait, my feet are goyang apa bahasa Inggris?
I live in a city.
Yes, A, right? I live in a city.
City.
Okay, Yossi. How do you answer this number 2?
Do you live in a village?
So what is the answer?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Nice. Okay, guys, remember, it's not live, but live. Okay, together, live.
Live.
Do you live?
Live is meninggalkan, right?
Okay, together, where do you live?
Where do you live? Where do you
Where
live?
do you
Okay, nice. Where do you live? And then what about this one? What is it like?
What is it like?
It
So
is
what is the answer?
It is interesting.
Interesting.
It is
The answer is C.
interesting.
Interest.
Okay, so it's it's a C, not A, right? They are interesting. Not, it's not correct.
Dialogue.
Okay, we answer first here, and then we can close the class. Okay, where do you live? I live in Bangkok. It is a busy. What is Bangkok like? A busy place.
It's busy and not interesting.
Really? And not interesting. Okay. Where, what is this?
Where it is?
It's a busy.
Bangkok is.
By the way, Bangkok, is it city or town or village?
City, because it's the capital of Thailand.
City. And where do, what is that? How do you complete this?
Wait.
Where?
Thailand.
Where do you live?
Where do you live? Okay, not live. What about this one? What is the answer, Tristan?
What is it like?
Nice. What is it?
Like.
And then what about number 4? It is quiet.
It
Is
Okay, yeah.
it is
Bangkok. We can say only Bangkok. Bangkok.
Bangkok.
It's a big and interesting.
I just know Bangkok.
Masa. Okay, what about number 5? What is the answer?
There.
Train
There.
station.
Is there a train station in your town?
Okay. There. And what about number 6?
Is there a movie theater?
A movie
Yes.
theater.
There a movie theater. Okay.
Maybe number 4.
Sorry?
Okay.
Sorry, Aryan?
No.
Okay, so guys, do you have any question?
Oh, thank you.
No.
No, miss.
So, we are in the, let's call it a day, because it's have been 5 o'clock here. We have done the class. So I will ask you again. Do you have any question, guys? No? Okay, thank you.
No,
No.
thank you.
No. No, thank you.
No, thank you. No, thank you.
Okay, so before we end the class, just like usual, let's have a picture. Where are you, Yosi? Hello, Yosi. Can you show your...
Tiga aku goyang ya Allah.
Okay. Okay, so how do you ask your friends when you want to ask about the city like?
What is your city like?
What is city like? And then how do you answer?
My city like.
There is a hospital. There is a restaurant. There is a supermarket, and maybe the last is there is a movie theater.
Okay, and then we can also tell about it is interesting city. Okay, don't forget about that. Okay, so let's have a picture. 1, 2. Okay, Yosi, where are you, Yosi? Okay, please. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so thank you so much for coming today. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much. And then let's close our class by saying alhamdulillah, and then wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye.
Bye, Miss. Thank you for
Bye-bye.
today.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, Faiz.
Bye, Miss.